Clarendon-based alumina refinery JAMALCO lost several hours of business Tuesday morning. Residents of Corn Piece Settlement blocked the train line, protesting after their community was flooded. The people say they're tired of unfulfilled promises to fix a blocked storm drain which runs from the plant.
A roadblock on rails, no train coming or going. Residents of Corn Piece in Clarendon say they've been quiet for too long and decided to take drastic action Tuesday morning to get alumina refinery JAMALCO's attention. A few feet away, the source of one of their biggest concerns. Flood waters from September 21 as well as last week Wednesday settled in people's backyards and farmlands.
I have a 10-feet fence and it almost covers the 10-feet fence. I have lost animals because of the chemical water from the landfill burn up them foot.
This community been abused by JAMALCO many years now. They need attention now. Look at the man land. The man lost goat. The man have a fish pan over there. They get that line in town. They get in the community too. Maybe these people could have and even know yet.
Residents say it's no secret what's causing the flooding.
There is a collapsed drain that takes the water from JAMALCO landfill and distribute it in a gully, and that drain has collapsed from last year. And we have been communicating with JAMALCO and we have been getting promises to fix the drain.
Fed up with the unfulfilled promises of redress, residents protested along the train track just outside JAMALCO's gates.
This morning, we decided so we're stopping their production. They have stopped our production for years. So now JAMALCO production is stopped by this community.
Councillor for the Hayes Division, Cian Barnswell, managed to get a meeting with representatives from JAMALCO and New Fortress Energy to resolve other issues, including dust nuisance and night noise. And after a satisfactory response, the people ended their protest.
There are several waterways that runs below the railway line. Those culverts are old, they are in need of replacement, and they also contributed to the flood in some communities. And this drain from JAMALCO is just the start of it, but it links several different communities in Hayes. And if it is not clean, then what happened on the 21st of September and what happened last week, Wednesday, can repeat itself.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.